Mental health in 2025. We're all struggling. If you're wrestling with mental health, you're not alone. This data shows the demographics of people with mental health issues. What if I told you mental health isn't just in your head? Believe it or not, your gut could be playing a big role in how you feel. The gut microbiome refers to the diverse community of microorganisms, primarily bacteria, but also archaea, viruses, and fungi that reside in the human gastrointestinal tract. This ecosystem plays essential roles in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and the synthesis of neurotransmitters and vitamins. The gut microbiome also communicates with the central nervous system via the gut-brain axis, influencing mood, behavior, and cognitive function. Each person's microbiome is unique, shaped by diet, environment, genetics, and even birth method like vaginal or C-section. Disruptions in this microbial balance, known as dysbiosis, have been linked to a wide range of conditions including obesity, depression, anxiety, autoimmune diseases, and even neurodevelopmental disorders. Gut bacteria is called your microbiome, and honestly, it's like a secret organ that helps run your body. It talks to your brain, helps with digestion, supports your immune system, and even affects your mood. Scientists conducted a wild experiment. They took gut bacteria from a hyperactive, energetic mouse and transplanted it into a calm, docile one. The result? The once laid-back mouse became energetic. Then they flipped it, gave the energetic mouse the bacteria from the calm one, and guess what? It chilled out, but it didn't stop there. When similar microbiome transplants were done in humans, people actually began to take on behavioral and emotional traits of the microbiome donors. Not just energy levels, things like mood, stress response, even social behaviors were affected. It turns out our gut bacteria is influencing way more than digestion. They could be shaping who we are. Bacterial transplants have been shown to improve autism, bipolar disorder, Clostridium difficile, IBS, IBD, metabolic disorders, liver diseases, and resistant infections. For details, do internet search on treatments by FMT. When the gut is out of balance, known as dysbiosis, it can lead to anxiety, depression, fatigue, and brain fog. Out of balance means that your gut's good bacteria is minimal or non-existent, and bad bacteria is high. Most of your serotonin, a chemical that makes you feel good, is made in your gut, not your brain. Your gut and brain are always talking through something called the vagus nerve. A healthy gut sends calming signals. An unhealthy one? Not so much. A poor diet with processed foods, red meat, too much sugar, and not enough fiber can throw your gut off balance. Fiber feeds your good bacteria, while sugar feeds the bad bacteria. Stress and anxiety also play a role. Consuming antibiotics and medications kills bacteria, both good and bad. A lack of gut-friendly foods, like fermented foods or plants, can cause issues too. These things can lead to leaky gut, chronic inflammation, and a drop in the good bacteria that help keep you feeling balanced. What you can do gently, step by step: eat more fiber. Veggies, fruits, beans, these feed the good bacteria. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut to introduce helpful microbes. There are a couple of types of special fermented yogurts that are a good source of good bacteria, like Lactobacillus reuteri and kefir. Reduce ultra-processed foods, as they can inflame your gut and your brain. Manage stress through breathing exercises, mindfulness, or spending time in nature. Whatever helps calm your system. Consider probiotics or a gut test with your doctor to get a clearer picture. Taking care of your gut won't fix everything overnight, but it's one powerful piece of the mental health puzzle you can influence. Healing the gut can help support your brain, your mood, and your energy, one bite, one breath, one small choice at a time. It should be noted that bacteria is everywhere in and on your body, and there are many ways for it to get into your body. This topic will be covered in a follow-on video. Also, see the link to the articles that support this video. You deserve to feel better, and your gut wants to help. If this helped you, share it with someone who might need it.